Want to catch flying bugs in your home? In this video, we'll shine a light on Zevo flying insect traps, including how to set them up, where to place them, and how to maintain them. How do Zevo traps work? Zevo traps work 24/7 using blue and UV light to lure houseflies, fruit flies, gnats, and more. Bugs that are lured to the trap get caught out of sight on a replaceable sticky cartridge you never have to touch. When it's full, just toss the old cartridge and pop in a new one. It's a clean, simple, and effective way to take back your home. Where should I place my Zevo trap for best results? Zevo traps can go anywhere in your home, but here are a few pro tips to get the most out of them. Most flying bugs have a favorite spot in your home. Place the trap in areas where bugs hang out, like near drains, trash cans, fruit bowls, plants, and windows. For best results, keep your Zevo trap plugged in 24/7. That's it. If you're not catching many bugs, give it more time or try moving it to another area. You'll soon notice fewer bugs. How do I set up my Zevo trap? It's quick and easy. Just remove the trap from the box, peel off the protective film from the sticky cartridge, and plug it into a standard outlet where bugs are most likely to be. Have a horizontal outlet or something obstructing your vertical outlet? Zevo traps rotate 90 degrees to trap at the angle that's right for you. Why is the blue light on my Zevo trap blinking? The blinking light is a new feature designed to remind you to check the glue cartridge in your trap. The light will start blinking if you haven't interacted with the device for 6 weeks. People check their traps in different ways. Some lift the cartridge and reinsert it, while others unplug it and plug it back in. Either method will reset your reminder for another 6 weeks. So just how long does a Zevo trap cartridge last? Replace when cartridge looks full. Check your trap every couple of weeks to make sure there's still room for more bugs. When the cartridge is full, it's quick and easy to replace. Just lift the cartridge from the No Mess tab at the top. Toss the used cartridge, peel the film off the new one, and pop it into the trap. And just like that, you're ready to keep on catching. Visit ZevoInsect.com to learn more, or pick up Zevo today from any major retailer. For additional tips and troubleshooting, check out our FAQ section online.